Do you like fast food? Are you familiar with fast food places? Well, today we are going to test your fast food trivia knowledge through emojis. And again, we will be looking at paired passages where we will compare and contrast the similarities and the differences between the two passages. So the two passages that we will look at today are titled A Home for Wild Mustangs and A Horse Bucky. So I'm going to give you 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And again, if you are at home, you are going to write your answers on a sheet of paper and upload it to this assignment. And if you're here in the classroom, I will give you your whiteboard and marker. Alrighty. Everybody ready? Go. That is our time. Oops. All right, let's look at our question. What is similar about A Home for Wild Mustangs and My Horse Bucky? A, in both selections, the people named their horses. In A Home for Wild Mustangs, there was not a specific horse or a specific name for a horse, so that is not the answer. B, in both selections, someone builds barbed wire fences that stop the horses from grazing freely. That only happened in A Home for Wild Mustangs, so B is not our answer. C, in both selections, someone cares deeply about horses. So here we have Dalton Hyde, who used his own money to make sure that the horses were free. And then we have, they didn't give us the name of the narrator here, but we know that this person did care very deeply for Bucky. So C could be our answer. D, in both selections, the owners like to ride their horses. In the first selection, it did not give us anything about Dalton Hyde or anyone else riding the horses. That was only in Bucky, My Horse Bucky. So the answer here is C. Good job if you got C. Let's test your fast food skills. Pretty easy one, right? Burger King. Domino's Pizza. Dunkin' Donuts. All right, we're going to pause there. Let's go back over to our paired passages. Our next paired passages are our weekend vacation and the fishing trip. So notice that this one is a drama or a play. All right, so I'm going to put our 3 minutes and 30 seconds back on the clock. Everybody ready? Go. All right, that's our time. Let's look at our question and answer choices. What is true about both selections? A, both selections are about a trip to the Ozarks. So let's look at our first one. We're going off to the Ozarks. So that's our text evidence for the first selection. What about this one? Did it say anything about the Ozarks? Nope, it did not. So A can't be our answer. B, in both selections, the family goes fishing. Where do we see here that they went fishing? They caught a bass. A bass is a fish. And then here, it's titled The Fishing Trip. And, of course, right here we have text evidence for that. So B could be our answer. C, both selections are about seeing a play. Neither one of these is about seeing a play. This is a play, but it's not about seeing a play. So C is not our answer. D, in both selections, the family throws fish in the water. Do we have anything here that says they threw the fish in the water? Nope, we sure do not. We do up here, but we're looking for both. So D is not our answer. Good job if you chose B. Let's look at our fast food. Where is your favorite fast food place? IHOP is one of my favorite places. All right, that is the end of today's comprehension lesson. You are going to either comment your answers. If you're at home, you can comment your answers on this assignment, or you could take a picture of it if you wrote on a sheet of paper and upload it to this assignment. And everybody's going to turn this in and then move on to your word study.